All right, so let's get into the reason why most of you guys are probably here. You're probably picking between a NEMA 1450 220 plug and a wall connector. That's probably why you're watching this video. So I did the heavy lifting. I installed both. Here are my results from the 1450 versus the wall connector. On the 1450 220 plug, I'm getting 30 miles per hour of charge. On the wall connector, I'm getting 45 miles per hour of charge. So 15 miles per hour more on the wall charger. That's significant depending on your usage of the vehicle. I hope this helps, and I did some of the heavy lifting since I got both installed and was able to test them side by side. So more content to come.